Scooter Shooter. What a lovely day! Our friend Scooter seems to enjoy it very much. Boy, those bikes are fast. You wanna be fast too? Well, I know a place we can go.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi's sitting on a box. He's reading a car mag.
Wow, this new electric car is awesome! Hey there, how can I help you?
And so the Scooter told BiBi about the two rapid bikes he saw earlier. He said he wanted to be fast like them. Scooter said he wanted to be friends with them, but those bikes were too quick to notice little Scooter.
Oh! I see. You know what? We can make you much faster, but there will be a lot of work. You sure you want to do this, my little friend? First of all, let's take off your wheels and motor. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Now let's pick up new parts. I think we should start with a motor.
How about this one?
Let's see. Come on, give it a try. No, this one's too small.
What about this one?
Oh no, this one's too big.
Well, let's try this one.
Come on, let's try it out. All right, looks perfect. Now let's get you some new wheels.
What about these?
Nuh-uh, these are bicycle wheels.
How about these?
They are really small. We need bigger ones.
How about these?
All right, that's what we need. Now let's paint you up. Pick the color you like the best. How about yellow? No? All right. Let's try green. Okay, how about blue? Nice! Now let's polish you. Wow! Look at you, my friend. You look way better, and you're much faster now. Let's see how fast you can go. See ya!
And so our friend Scooter said thanks and went to try out his new motor. And even though our friend isn't a motorcycle, he's even faster. He took the first place and found some new friends. This made Scooter very happy. Thanks again, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
the racing car. This is Gig. He is fast and nimble. Gig is always in the mood for some wacky racing. There was a race one time, and Gig wanted to be in it. But when he came on track, turned out he couldn't enter the contest. They said only racing cars can take part. He gave all the other cars a gloomy look and went back home. But Gig is not a whiny, and he doesn't want to feel sad. Why not pay BiBi a visit? Time to pimp Gig's ride at BiBi's workshop.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Today was a little quiet for BiBi. He took care of his customers yesterday and was expecting more today. Then Gig came over. BiBi said hello and asked what happened.
Hey, Gig, what's the trouble? You need help?
And so the Gig told BiBi about the racing contest and how he wanted to take part in it. And that they said only racing cars can be in it. BiBi gave it a little thought and quickly found way out.
Don't worry, Gig. We'll fix your problem. We'll make a great racing car out of you. You'll be super fast, and they'll have to let you enter the race. Right, guys? Where should we start? Safety first. To make it more safe, we should get him a roof. Alright, looks good. Racing cars should have a rear wing. Let's get you one. Racing cars have rear wings because they make them go faster.
Is this the rear wing?
No, it isn't a rear wing at all. It's a look.
What about this?
No, it's a spoiler. It looks like a rear wing, but it's a different thing. There must be clearance between the spoiler and the trunk.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one we need. And it's got clearance. Okay, let's lift you up a bit. And now it's time for piping. Racing pipes are a bit wider than the usual ones, and the piping system itself should be as firm as possible. It will make the car sound louder, but it will make it go faster. Okay, let's make Gig a real racing car. One so that he can win the race.
Is this the one?
Oh, no, it's too small.
Maybe this one.
Nope, this isn't the one we need. That's the one we took off.
Must be this one.
Yep, that's the one. Alright, all there's left to do now is to get you a new bumper to make you stable during the race. Alright, Gig. You've been officially pimp. Looks like you can call yourself a real racing car from now on. Good luck to you.
And so Gig has become a real racing car, and he even won the race. Thanks, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi helps the truck. Spring festival time is coming, and as always, all the girls and women will receive flowers this day. Some of those flowers will be brought by our friend Truck. It just came from the south where there are many flower farms. Now he's in a rush to bring the flowers in time for the festival. Look how dirty this guy is. Police officers will never let it come into town. They say the license plate isn't visible. Don't worry, we'll find a car wash, no problem.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Good day. How can I help?
And so the truck told BiBi about the flowers and how he was in a rush, coming all the way down from the south, trying to be on time. He said it got really dirty and that policemen couldn't let him in.
I see.
And that's why it needed to have a good shower.
Oh. Well, let's wash ya. Please. Let's see. First, we need to wash your dirty wheels. Great! The dirtiest part of any car is its bottom. Let's give it a good wash. Cool! Now we can wash your body and the cabin. We're gonna use some foam as well. Awesome! As we've done here, let's have a look-see. Oh! I'll tell you what. Why don't we make you shine? Let's polish you. So, what should we choose?
How about this?
No, that's my teddy bear. What's it doing here?
How about this one?
This can work, but it'll take quite a bit of time. And we don't have much time.
And what's this?
A polishing machine is just what we're looking for. Looks like that's it. Let's check the plate once again. Good, you're ready. Now hit the festival.
The truck was so happy to be clean again. It thanked BiBi and was on its way.
Good luck.
And so the truck went back into town where he met the same police car. The police car didn't even recognize it because it was so clean. And the truck visited every flower shop it intended to visit. All the flowers were alright. On the way back, the truck felt great. It was happy about the weather and happy surrounding atmosphere.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.